Hey everyone! Today I'm exploring a timeless classic, How to Win Friends and Influence People, by Dale Carnegie. This book, first published in 1936, has helped millions of people improve their personal and professional relationships. Today, we'll be summarizing 10 key takeaways from this influential book that you can start applying today to win friends and influence people effectively in all levels of your relationship or dealings. 1. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. The first principle Dale Carnegie emphasizes is to avoid criticizing, condemning, or complaining. Criticism puts people on the defensive and often makes them strive to justify themselves. Instead of blaming others for their mistakes, try to understand why they act the way they do. This approach builds empathy and reduces resentment. For instance, if a colleague misses a deadline, rather than criticizing them, ask if there was something that made it difficult for them to complete the task on time. This shows understanding and encourages them to open up about any issues they faced. 2. Give honest and sincere appreciation. Everyone craves appreciation and recognition. Carnegie suggests that giving honest and sincere appreciation is a powerful way to win people over. It's important to be genuine in your praise and avoid flattery, which can be easily seen through. For example, if a team member goes above and beyond in their work, acknowledge their effort and express your gratitude. A simple, "I really appreciate your dedication to this project," can go a long way in boosting morale and fostering a positive work environment. 3. Arouse in the other person an eager want. To influence others, you need to align your requests with their desires. Carnegie advises that you should arouse an eager want in others by understanding what they want and showing how your request or idea benefits them. If you're proposing a new project to your manager, highlight how this project aligns with the company's goals and how it can benefit the team. By showing the mutual benefits, you're more likely to get their support. 4. Become genuinely interested in other people. One of the most effective ways to make friends is to show a genuine interest in other people. Carnegie points out that you can make more friends in 2 months by being genuinely interested in them than in 2 years by trying to get people interested in you. Ask questions about their lives, listen attentively, and remember details about their interests. This makes people feel valued and appreciated. For instance, if you know a colleague is passionate about gardening, ask them about their garden and show interest in their stories. This small gesture can significantly strengthen your relationship. 5. Smile. A simple smile can work wonders. It's a universal sign of friendliness and warmth. Carnegie emphasizes that a smile can help create a positive first impression and make people feel at ease. Smiling when you greet someone or during conversations makes you appear approachable and positive. It can diffuse tension and create a welcoming atmosphere. Even in difficult situations, a smile can help lighten the mood and make it easier to navigate challenges. 6. Remember that a person's name is the sweetest sound in any language. People love hearing their own names. Carnegie suggests that using a person's name in conversation makes them feel recognized and valued. Remembering and using people's names can significantly enhance your rapport with them. When you meet someone new, make an effort to remember their name and use it throughout the conversation. This small gesture can make a big difference. Practice this habit in your daily interactions to build stronger, more personal relationships. 7. Be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. Carnegie highlights the importance of being a good listener and encouraging others to talk about themselves. People love to talk about their experiences, ideas, and opinions. By being an attentive listener and showing genuine interest in what they have to say, you can build deeper connections. Ask open-ended questions and listen actively without interrupting. For example, if someone is sharing a story, respond with follow-up questions and comments that show you're engaged and interested. This demonstrates respect and builds trust. 8. Talk in terms of the other person's interests. To win people over, Carnegie suggests talking in terms of the other person's interests. When you discuss topics that matter to them, they feel more engaged and valued. If you're trying to persuade a colleague to support your idea, find out what aspects of the project align with their interests or responsibilities. Frame your discussion around these points to capture their attention and enthusiasm. This approach not only makes your conversations more engaging but also increases the likelihood of gaining their support. 9. Make the other person feel important and do it sincerely. Everyone wants to feel important. Carnegie emphasizes that making others feel important in a sincere manner is crucial for building strong relationships. This isn't about flattery. It's about recognizing and appreciating the unique qualities and contributions of others. Acknowledge their achievements and express your appreciation genuinely. For example, if a team member comes up with a great idea, give them credit and highlight how their input has positively impacted the project. This not only boosts their confidence but also encourages them to continue contributing. 10. The only way to get the best of an argument is to avoid it. The final takeaway is to avoid arguments. Carnegie argues that the best way to win an argument is to avoid it altogether. Arguing often leads to resentment and rarely results in a positive outcome. Instead of engaging in arguments, seek to understand the other person's perspective and find common ground. Use diplomacy and tact to address disagreements. For example, if a disagreement arises in a meeting, acknowledge the other person's point of view and suggest a compromise that addresses both parties' concerns. This approach fosters collaboration and mutual respect. Let's quickly recap the 10 key takeaways from How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. 1. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. 2. Give honest and sincere appreciation. 3. Arouse in the other person an eager want. 4. Become genuinely interested in other people. 5. Smile. 6. Remember that a person's name is the sweetest sound in any language. 7. Be a good listener and encourage others to talk about themselves. 8. Talk in terms of the other person's interests. 9. Make the other person feel important and do it sincerely. 10. The only way to get the best of an argument is to avoid it. By incorporating these principles into your daily interactions, you can build stronger relationships, influence others positively, and achieve greater success in both your personal and professional life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Let us know in the comments which of these principles you're going to start using today. Until next time, keep learning and growing.